The San Francisco garter snake, Thamnophis ortalis tetratinea, is a subspecies of the common garter snake, known for its striking coloration and critical conservation status. Endemic to the San Francisco Peninsula in California, this snake is one of the most endangered reptiles in North America. This essay explores the physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, diet, reproduction, and conservation status of the San Francisco garter snake, emphasizing its unique traits and the urgent need for conservation efforts. Physical characteristics. The San Francisco garter snake is renowned for its vivid and distinctive coloration. Adults typically measure between 46 to 100 centimeters, 18 to 39 inches, in length. Their most striking feature is their vibrant blue-green body with a red stripe bordered by black on each side. Additionally, there is a black stripe running along the spine, making the snake's appearance highly distinctive and visually stunning. The head is slightly wider than the neck, and the eyes are relatively large with round pupils. The scales are keeled, giving the snake a rough texture. This colorful pattern serves as a form of camouflage among the aquatic plants and grassy environments it inhabits. Habitat and distribution. The San Francisco garter snake is restricted to the San Francisco Peninsula in California, with its range extending from San Mateo County to Santa Cruz County. It inhabits wetland areas, such as marshes, ponds, and slow-moving streams, often surrounded by dense vegetation. These habitats provide essential cover and hunting grounds. This snake is highly dependent on freshwater habitats with abundant vegetation, which are increasingly threatened by urban development, agriculture, and pollution. The limited distribution and specific habitat requirements make the San Francisco garter snake particularly vulnerable to habitat loss. Behavior and diet. The San Francisco garter snake is primarily diurnal, being active during the day. It is an agile and active hunter, often seen basking in the sun or foraging for food near water bodies. When threatened, it may exhibit defensive behaviors such as flattening its body, releasing a foul-smelling musk, and attempting to flee into the water. The diet of Thamnophis ortalis tetratinea primarily consists of amphibians, especially the California red-legged frog, Rana draytonii, which is also an endangered species. It also preys on small fish, invertebrates, and occasionally small mammals. The snake uses a combination of constriction and swallowing to subdue and consume its prey. Reproduction. The San Francisco garter snake is ovoviviparous, giving birth to live young. Mating typically occurs in the spring, and females give birth to litters of 10 to 20 live young in late summer or early fall. The newborn snakes are fully independent at birth, measuring about 13 to 20 centimeters, 5 to 8 inches, in length. The female's ability to store sperm allows for delayed fertilization, ensuring that offspring are born when environmental conditions are favorable for their survival. This reproductive strategy increases the likelihood of successful reproduction. Conservation status. The San Francisco garter snake is listed as endangered under both federal and California state law. The primary threats to its survival include habitat destruction, pollution, predation by invasive species, and human disturbances. Urban development and agricultural expansion have led to significant loss of wetlands, which are crucial for the snake's survival. Conservation efforts for the San Francisco garter snake focus on habitat preservation, restoration, and management. Protecting and restoring wetland habitats, controlling invasive species, and implementing conservation easements are vital strategies for ensuring the snake's survival. Additionally, public education and community involvement are essential for raising awareness and support for conservation initiatives. Ecological importance. The San Francisco garter snake plays a crucial role in its ecosystem by controlling populations of amphibians and other small aquatic organisms. This helps maintain a balanced ecosystem and prevents overpopulation of certain species, which could lead to habitat degradation. Their presence indicates a healthy, balanced ecosystem, and their disappearance could disrupt the ecological equilibrium. As both predator and prey, the San Francisco garter snake contributes to the overall health of its habitat. It helps regulate prey populations, and its presence provides a food source for larger predators, such as birds of prey and mammals. Conclusion. The San Francisco garter snake, Thamnophis ortalis tetratenea, is a unique and ecologically important species that faces critical threats to its survival. Its striking coloration and limited distribution make it a symbol of the urgent need for habitat conservation and restoration efforts. Protecting this endangered snake requires concerted efforts to preserve and restore its wetland habitats, control invasive species, and raise public awareness about its ecological significance. By fostering a greater understanding and appreciation of the San Francisco garter snake, we can promote its conservation and ensure that this remarkable reptile continues to thrive in its native habitats. Through effective conservation strategies and community involvement, we can work towards securing a future for the San Francisco garter snake and the ecosystems it inhabits.